Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are going to review West Kiss Hair. Beautiful box, and we're going to get inside, okay? Give me a kiss. Okay. Anyway, let's go in the box. Oh, so beautiful. This is the wig. Lashes. A bonnet. Happy that I got a black one, okay? Edge brush, HD wig cap, headband, bag to store your wig, and now we have the beautiful wig. Now this wig is HD lace, 24 inches, 180 density, medium cap size. Love this, okay? Easy. All right, let's get into it though and see how the hair looks. It's a brown color, okay? Tapes. The wig is well secure, of course. Oh, this is beautiful. Ah. Oh my Lord, guys. Adjustable band. You guys are seeing that. We have a comb at the back. And there's two combs at the sides. There's one right here. And then we have another one. But we also have a middle part, which means we will be doing a middle part. Let me tell you something. Let's lay this wig down. Guys, I'm telling you, they are making it super easy. You see that nice brown color? They're making it so easy. Beginner friendly wig because it's already curled. I appreciate that. Now, we're gonna take some time and appreciate the lace because it's already plucked. HD lace, super thin, super natural, okay? And we also have a middle part. So this is so easy whether you're gonna install it for yourself or you're gonna pay somebody to install it. I love this. Knowing me, I wanna go in to the lace. That's just my thing. And we already have curls. It's 24 inches. It's brown. Guys, are you seeing the color? I cannot wait to do this and put my makeup on. It's gonna be so pretty. Guys, look at that. How bouncy those curls are. Alright, we are gonna get into the install. Alright guys, now it's time for us to style this wig. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is we're gonna brush the wig. I'm gonna loosen the curls some more. They are beautiful, by the way. And we're gonna also re-add a little bit of curl to this wig. We're gonna keep it as a center part. So, like, this wig doesn't need any plucking, absolutely none. We're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go in. Alright guys, so we made some curls in this wig. Now it's time for us to install, and I'm gonna take the clips out. Alright, let's try the wig. Alright guys, we are gonna go ahead and cut the lace. We are gonna see what we can do now. We made curls in the hair. Guys, ooh, let's loosen these curls and get on with it, because West Kiss, yeah. This is it. Say no more. West Kiss, they did it. Okay, I went ahead and razor cut the front just because we wanted that more natural look, and I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna leave it because I want it to look so natural. I can do it like this, I can do it like that. So beautiful. The hair feels good. Like I said, I went ahead and did some big baby ears because I didn't want to put the side ones. I just wanted it to look so natural, and it's beautiful. You can do this any way you want. Y'all see that? Alright guys, it's given natural, it's given, I like this. This is exactly how I wanted it. You can go ahead and do this as well. So this is it. It's in 24 inches, and I want to thank West Kiss Hair again for sending this beautiful hair. Remember guys, it came with curls. I just wanted more looser curls, hence why I went ahead and go over, and I wanted it to look something like this. So this is it. We didn't use glue, so basically it's semi-glueless. You can use glue. I did not pluck. I did not need to pluck or anything because the wig came pre-plucked. It is HD lace. It's already bleached. Everything is done. I didn't even add makeup right here. That's how beautiful it is. So thank you so much. We're gonna get into the slow-mo. Make sure you guys check the description. All the details will be there. The link to the store as well will be there. So thank you again, West Kiss. Let's get into this.